So now I will show you how to make your own volumetric tube. You will need a transparent glass in the shape of a cylinder. Then you will need a tape that you will stick on the glass to be able to make your marks on it. Afterwards, you will need a volumetric tube of 50 ml and spill the water inside the glass. Then you mark with your pen the current position of the water, and if you don't have a volumetric tube of 50 ml, you can use this injection tool of 50 ml and spill the water inside of the glass. And that makes us another 50 ml, that makes 100 ml. And once again, you mark the current position of the water with your pen. For more accurate spots, you can use a volumetric tube of 10 ml for each record. But again, if you don't have a volumetric tube of 10 ml, you can use an injection tool of 10 ml. And then you repeat this process each time and record on the tape until you reach the edge of the glass, or at least up to a certain point. If you don't have a syringe or a volumetric tube, you can use household utensils in order to measure the quantity. For example, you could use a dosing spoon that usually comes with liquid medicine, the dosing cup of your mouthwash, or a volumetric container from your kitchen. Right now, I pour some water in another container in order to make space for the objects to be able to sink inside the glass of water. Let's see an example. For example, I use this plastic solid, and with the help of a kitchen tool, I push it exactly below the surface of the water so I can record its position and make the calculations.